People worry that the wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the wheel spacers and the tightness of lug nuts are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are blamed on lug-centric wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacer means there is a big hole in the middle, without a snug fit. These wheel spacers are centered on the vehicle's hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using these trip spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel stud and lug nut use a clamping force to secure the wheel spacers and the wheels, if the stud or lug nuts are not strong enough to support these forces, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM440 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standards grade 12.9. With high strength, your wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric wheel spacers keep the wheels centered and balanced on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the centerboard of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any type of vibration issue. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric middle ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the belts fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminate any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since wheel spacers are components that contact other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerant ones.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.